episode of Anything But ASIC, and today we're going to talk about mining. We're going to talk about mining profitability, and then we're going to go over GPU hunts real quick because GPUs are cheap right now, and if you want to get to mining, probably a time to be buying if you have money. Most people don't have money right now, so this is what it is. Let's see. I tell you this: now it's less profitable to mine. Now it's now less profitable to mine than to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so basically, it's saying it's cheaper to buy Bitcoin than to mine right now. I just gotta reverse that for you. Let's see. Following the tumbling of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin has officially become unprofitable. The cryptocurrency miners, according to the Bitcoin production cost indicator on TradingView, developed by the user Caparol Charles. The indicator suggests that Bitcoin has just entered a unprofitability zone, which has not happened since October 2020, back when BTC was trading at about $12,000. Most likely, Bitcoin's profitability for miners stays at even lower numbers as the electricity cost used in the indicator is not relevant. But even with data used back in the 2021 and 2020, Bitcoin's profitability for traders is now in the negative zone because of the increased difficulty of the network, followed by the spiking hash rate after the rapid drop during the Chinese mining crackdown. Oh, what happens next? Well, some traders and analysts were not expecting Bitcoin to drop so drastically in such a short period. The market already saw similar things happening back in 2018. The first thing that the market participants should expect is the drop in hash rate and mining difficulty, as more Bitcoin producers will switch over other assets in order to stop losing money. And that's the article. 30 million ADA presently sits in Wells portfolios. People are still hyping up Cardano, which proof of stake. But I don't know. Cardano might just be it. Let's see. As Bitcoin mining difficulty drops further, the market should expect a gradual recovery of Bitcoin production costs, as miners would need less electricity for issuing a block on the blockchain, affecting the market. But while the drop in mining profitability largely affects miners, the market should expect a slight decrease in the selling pressure in the future, as there will be less new coins issued in the network. With the decrease in selling pressure, it should be easy for bulls to push price up of the first cryptocurrency up when buying power appears on the market again. By Dr. Armin Shurian. Well, basically what this all comes down to is it profitable? And the answer right now, the last few days, is no. And the fact that Bitcoin went down that fast, well, just within the last week, dropped a whole, I don't know, we were at 40 grand. Let me check. Let me just check. Go. Let's see. Let's do the 30-day. Yep. The 30-day was hovering around, well, just in the last few weeks. Okay, so what are they, like 3 weeks? Last 3 weeks, you went from 42,000 on the highs all the way down to dip below 30,000. Right there. There's this, you can't see it, but there was a small dip below 30,000. So hold 10 grand in just a few weeks, and of course nobody expected that, but people are buying big things with big pockets. So GPU mining, GPU hunting. Okay, well, let's just start off with FPGAs. First off, it's eBay walk, one board not working. This is the general price for them. It comes with 3 boards. I don't want any of that. Yeah, everything's on fire sale. Let's see. So black miners. Let's just put in What's Einers? You won't really get too many results with just putting in FPGA miners. Helium miners are going up, but helium's changing its whole entire infrastructure. I should really do a talk on that. How they're putting out the micro nodes now. This thing's never gone down in power. The Atom miner, just another FPGA miner, another FPGA company. That thing's always been expensive for something that's not actually really all that profitable. Uh, yeah, that's what you're getting. Well, it looks a lot better in GPUs. So right now, I looked this up just now, and this was the 3070. The RTX 3070 was out of order. You couldn't get one. This was $2,000. $2,000 a few weeks, like a month ago. You can believe how fast that shifts, how fast the whole market shifts in just a month, and it's just absolutely crazy. I'm wondering, like, will we see shifts like this again? And yeah, can they really make? I mean, you got the 3080. Let's look at 3080. But at this point, you got to ask: can they really make these GPUs any more efficient? I mean, of course they can, but how much more efficient? Like, I think the 3080s, the 3070s are going to be around. That was a huge jump in price. I think the 3070s, 3080s are going to be around for quite some time and profitable for quite some time on top of the food chain. Let's see. We pulled up what's in mind. Apparently it's a 3090. I didn't even know it was a 3090. Let's see. The Radeon 5. The Radeon 5 came out in 2019. It's been going strong and profitable for the last, we're in 2022? Last 4 years? So I think that's going to happen with the 3080 and the 3090s as well. Anything on top right now. Let's see. The RX 6900. Let's see. Oh, that one looks cool. Yeet all your crypto gains into this. This thing looks so cool. It's from Newegg, though. Resell Newegg. They're doing the whole switcheroo, but oh my, wow. A 16 gigabyte? Oh, that's a forbid. Let's get some buy nows. So, even the 6090, there's a 6090. There is a 6090. And it doesn't do better than the 6080. This is what's saying right now. But even the 6090, which was probably just came out now and was probably going to be unobtainium if the crypto market kept going the way it was, is now just a regular graphics card. So, let's see, 6800. Here I was about to buy a 5600 or something lowbrow, but these are actually attainable. I might actually be able to afford these. There's like $700, $800. Man, what would a 5700? It's probably not going to make any sense. It's $500. What's the profitability on the 5700? It's not bad. It's not. I can't say it's not bad for 5700. But you might want to stay with 6800. Oh, but for the price, if you catch one below $500, nice. I might have to. And one more. Look at one more. $6,600. I might want to go ahead and just pay the full $500 and get a 5800. Oh, these are cheap. Oh, these are actually reasonably priced now. These are 6600. $6,700. It's not even here. Oh, 82 cents. That's why they're cheap. Yeah, I guess. Well, there you have it, guys. The markets are bleeding. GPUs are cheap. You can actually afford them. And everything's looking to go into the winter, and you just gather up all those crypto coins. Let me guys know what your plans are, and if you can, if you don't, well, I'll talk to you in another video. See you guys.